Hello friends, today we will learn how to make Maggi. So I have put 2 packets noodles and I have put 2 packets of noodles. This is my third packet. We have to take water and for each noodles packet. And now we have put the 4.5 cup water in the pan. Now we have to take the noodle packet, then crunch it 2-3 times and then do like this so that the crunch comes down, and we have to cut it like this and do this in parent supervision. And then there will be a masala packet. Take it out and keep it here. And now we will put this in the pan. This also do in a supervision of parent. We will push the noodles in little bit inside the pan under the water like this. Put on gas. Now we will take the masala packet and we will again do like this so that the masala comes at the bottom and it doesn't come out while cutting. And put this masala in the pan like this. Oh, that's finished. I'll put it there. And take the second masala packet. We will again do like that so that the masala comes on the bottom. Now we will cut it. There and put this in the pan again. Do on sim because the noodle is coming up over there. And once stir it, do under the parent's supervision. Like this again we will do this. Cut it like this. And now we are done with our masala. We have to stir it and put the gas on medium and mix the masala with the noodles. This masala packet comes in the noodles packet only.
Yummy! It's looking yummy, mouth-watering.
Now we can put, yes, we will stir now. Now we'll put the gas little higher from the medium. Between medium and maximum. Do work on gas under supervision of parents. We can cover the noodles pan with a plate if we want, like this. Now we will take a cloth and double it like this because the plate is very hot. So we will double it and remove the plate from the pan. Yeah, we will remove it. So our noodles is ready and we have a mouth-watering smell. So we can hold a pan and serve that. And now we have to turn off the gas. We'll take the pan and put it on the platform like this. Be careful. Yes, now I will take out my favorite bowl. Here, this is my favorite bowl. I will pour the noodle into the bowl with this. Yeah, so yummy. I'll put in the. Now we will take the fork. Yummy! Now the noodles is ready. My mouth is watering and I want to eat it now and I will try it. Bye.